Now I shall introduce some Sindhi proverbs and explain them in English. The first one is Kath Kwara Khani. This means having taken up wood cutting axes, and it stands for disparaging someone, being after someone. So being very negative about someone, talking a lot of negativity about someone. So then someone says, Tu hunaje puthya pyo ai kath kwara khani. And there's a similar phrase in English, go after someone, hammer and tongs. So that's one. And the next one is Nang thi vetho hai. Now this literally means he is sitting, having assumed the form of a snake, or like a snake, a serpent. And it stands for somebody who's constantly guarding something or someone. And this might have originated because in some of our Indian traditions and stories and fables, the snake is supposed to be guarding jewels, because these precious stones are found in the rocky places and deep inside, and that is where snakes are also found, in crevices and rocks. So the snake is supposed to be guarding the jewels. And so here somebody who's always guarding something, he's sitting like a snake. Then the third one is Meh penji karan na dise. This is literally the buffalo doesn't see her blackness. Obviously this is the water buffalo kept for milk, not the buffaloes of America, the wild big buffaloes. This is quite clear. It is supposed to stand for people not being aware of their own faults. Then the next one is Babeji Milkyata. Literally this is the inheritance of one's father, and it is used sarcastically if somebody is throwing their weight around and behaving as if the place belongs to them. One can say, Babeji Milkyata theicha. Is it your father's inheritance? So it's a sort of comment like that. Next we have Raj vetho hai. Now this is unusual because I know what it stands for idiomatically, but I'm not quite sure of the literal meaning. It's supposed to stand for, like in Urdu you have Mehfil Jami hui hai. So the people are there, and lots of people are there, which could mean the entire family, extended family, clan, or the neighborhood, or generally company. People are visiting, or it's a nice gathering. So Raj vetho hai. Now that's what I understand. And interestingly, this is not actually from my family, in the sense I hadn't heard it, but one aunt of ours is a Bhaiband, and most of us are, our families are Amils. She used to say this, and so we've also learned from her. The Raj could refer to as a kingdom, or the populace of the kingdom, or something like that. Then the next is Makhan Sheikh Pachayan, which literally means to cook a Sikh kebab of butter. This obviously is so ridiculously impossible. When you put butter on a Sikh, on that metal skewer, it will immediately melt. It's ridiculous. So something which is quite impossible, a task which is quite impossible, is called, this is like making a Sikh kebab of butter. It is strange, but I have heard it. And then the last one for now is Bahataba Pera. This means literally 2 hands and 2 feet, or 2 hands, 2 feet. And it is taken to mean that somebody looks like somebody else. So in Sindhi one would say, he's a safa one vangurai, Bahataba Pera. Means this person is exactly like that person, 2 hands, 2 feet. One hears it quite often. And obviously people can't be exactly the same, but if people have a striking resemblance, very much like each other, often a parent and a child, then one can say this. I hope these proverbs and idioms were interesting. Thank you for watching the video and for listening.